Want to experience Blaze right now? With an onboarding license, you can try Blaze for free for 30 days. First, navigate to the Licenses menu in Settings, then click the Activate Onboarding License button. The onboarding license allows you to use Blaze for a 30-day trial period with up to 5 channels for testing. Please note, this license can only be activated once per PC. Once you activate an official license, the onboarding license will be automatically deactivated. Now click the Activate button to activate your license. In the licenses list, you can see your onboarding license's expiration date and usage status at a glance. Next, let's go to the devices list to assign a license to each device. Select the device and click on the Recording tab. If you hover your mouse over the Use License toggle button, you can see the number of licenses required for this device and the quantity of available licenses you have. Select Use License to immediately configure your recording settings. For other devices you want to record, follow the same steps to assign a license and begin configuring your recording settings.